So let us show you how you actually set up Virtual Airtame on an Android IFP. So the only thing I've done to prepare for this is two things. I have gone into my laptop and I have created an Airtame Cloud account. Like I said, it took about a minute. All you have to fill out is a name for the account and a bit of information about your email and so on. Once it's set up, you will see what I'm seeing here on my laptop screen. On the IFP, I have downloaded the Virtual Airtame app for Android, which is an APK file, and I've put it on a USB stick and I've plugged it into this IFP. So on the IFP, I'm going to go ahead and open the file app on the Android device, and then I'll make sure to select my Airtame USB drive. And here I have my APK file. Once I try to open it, it will ask me if I want to install Virtual Airtame. I'm going to tap on Install. And once it's done installing, I will simply tap Open to open this new application. Now, as you know, with Android devices, you have to give permission to use the video and microphone. So I'll just tap OK or while using the app on both. This is, of course, for the video conferencing part of using Airtame. So once the app is up and running, as it is right now, I am prompted by the screen to go to airtame.com/add. So I'm going to go to airtame.com/add. And here I'm going to be prompted to put in the code on the screen. WJGJBRR and continue. Then I'm going to be asked to name my screen. Let's call it Product Recap Demo. And optionally, I could add a password. I don't need to do that for now. I'm going to click on Continue. And now I have to select how I want to activate the screen. So like I said before, I could either apply an existing license, so either an Airtame Hybrid or an Airtame Core license. But in this case, I just want to try out the free 30-day trial. So I'm going to click on Start Trial and verify that my trial has indeed started. And just like that, I have a full up and running and connected Airtame screen that I can use. And in fact, if I go back into my Airtame Cloud, I can now see I have my product recap demo screen added, and it is in fact an Android device.